Hello. My name is Everything Explained, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Merck seeking FDA emergency use authorization for antiviral COVID-19 treatment. And it says on CNN that CNN Health is reporting that Merck is seeking FDA emergency use authorization for its experimental antiviral COVID-19 treatment, molnupiravir. If authorized, the drug would be the first oral antiviral treatment to fight COVID-19, CNN's Elizabeth Cohen reports, source CNN. Let's go and take a look at this video really quick.
We began looking at something that could be big. OxyContin.
We have to go after the makers of this drug.
My patients trusted me. I can't believe how many of them are dead now.
Drug maker Merck has announced just moments ago that it has applied for emergency use authorization for its new antiviral drug that it says cuts hospitalizations and deaths in half for people with mild to moderate coronavirus.
So if this pill is approved, it would be the first oral medicine to fight viral infection for coronavirus, and it could bring us all a giant step closer to our pre-pandemic lives. So let's get right now to Elizabeth Cohen with the breaking details. I mean, that sounds pretty good there. How significant is this?
Oh, this is really significant, Brianna. Right now, as we speak, if you called your doctor and said, guess what, doc, I just tested positive for COVID, there is really not very much that he or she could do. However, if this pill gets emergency use authorization from the FDA, your doctor could call in a prescription. Wouldn't that be amazing? It's an antiviral, just like we've all taken antibiotics. This is an antiviral drug. Let's see what happened when Merck put it in clinical trials. So Merck had a clinical trial. There was 762 participants, again, in early stage COVID. These folks were just days away from having been diagnosed. They were not in the hospital. Now, about half of them got a placebo. Of the folks who got a placebo, as they followed them in the coming weeks, 45 of them were hospitalized and 8 of those people died who got the placebo, the drug that does nothing. But those who got the actual, or pill that does nothing, I should say, those who got the actual drug, got this actual antiviral, only 28 were hospitalized and none of them died. Those are really pretty stunning results, of course.
I mean, that's definitely very impressive when you look at the statistics, but are we not going to talk about the 8 people that died? But I mean, I guess you sign up for a clinical trial and you're well aware of the risk that you take in the beginning when you start this process. But anyway, I do have to admit that is impressive. No one died, only 28 hospitalized. Like I said, I think everyone is responsible for their own body, but it is smart to, I personally believe, wait it out, see, because everybody's going to be jumping trying to get it. Wait and see what happens to people. Not trying to say use people, but you have to, let the people who want to be the first ones, let that be a learning experience. Don't make the same mistake they made. And if things go good, then cool. But anyway, I hope that this puts an end to this whole coronavirus pandemic, because this has changed the entire world. And I'm just praying for everyone who does have the coronavirus. Just stay safe out there. If you're vaccinated or not, still wear a mask. And again, just everyone just be cautious when you're out in public. Try to be smart when you're around, especially older or younger people. And again, let's hope that possibly this is the answer we were looking for to cure the coronavirus, or not even so much as cure it, but make it nothing more serious than the common cold. Just make it another everyday kind of illness.
Of course, the FDA and the CDC will be going over these results with a fine-tooth comb. It is not a 100% sure thing that it will be approved, but these certain numbers certainly look good. If it is approved, finally, your doctor can have something to call in if you have to make that phone call saying, hey, I just got diagnosed with COVID, doc, what can you do? Now there's something they can do. John, Brianna?
It's really amazing when you look at the results there. And Elizabeth, this is coming amid a series of other developments in the coronavirus fight. Tell us about that.
It is. I want to show you a map, Brianna, that I got to tell you, when I saw this map this morning, I felt like my blood pressure went down. It was so good to see. In this map, the few states that you see in red, just 5 states, that's where rates of COVID are going up in just 5 states. You guys remember when I've been on your show talking about just, where dozens of states are going up. 19 states are in yellow. Those are holding steady. 26 states are in green, and the rates are going down. Now, while I just said that my blood pressure did go down with that map, I will say that when you listen to, for example, what Dr. Fauci said over the weekend, this is not the end. And none of us should go, wow, this is amazing. It's 2019 all over again. That is not the case. We still have many, many Americans dying every day from COVID. We still need to be careful. If you haven't gotten vaccinated, now is certainly the time. We all still need to be careful and do our part.
Okay, so that looks like that's gonna be the end of that video. Um, again, if you are or not vaccinated, regardless, you just need to be safe. And like I said, let's see what happens with this new pill that they've got, this antiviral treatment, I guess. But anyway, if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, let me know what you want me to talk about next. Again, everyone just stay safe out there. My name is Everything Explained, and I'll catch you in the next one.